So we got two things to watch for on this Wednesday, May the 14th. Wind, and a lot of it this afternoon. I know, nobody likes the wind. But number two, we do have some showers and storms around, especially north and east of Denver, but there's a chance for a brief storm between 3 and 7 p.m. this afternoon in the Denver area as well. So let's start things off with the wind, right? Because that's going to end up being our main impact. We get into the upper 70s. We got a big storm system off to our north and west. That is mostly going to sideswipe us here in Colorado. That storm stays well to our north, so we kind of get the leftovers from that storm. That means some high elevation snow at or above pass level. Not a big deal if you have to travel to or from the mountains. You're fine today. Maybe the one slick spot would be Rabbit Ears Pass tonight, but we're mostly fine in terms of those travel impacts in the mountains. Now, Denver area, the wind picks up. Again, that storm system stays off to our north, so we get that difference between high and low pressure, what we call a pressure gradient. The result, it just turns really windy for us this afternoon. 30, 40, 50 mile an hour gusts for us this afternoon. The worst of that wind between noon and 8 p.m. And then those showers and storms move on in. Now, in Denver, we likely stay dry. I'm putting in about a 20-30% chance for a storm for us in town. You get north, especially Longmont, Lochbuie on north. That's where you start looking at higher 50-60% chances for a shower storm, including Fort Collins, Greeley, and east to Fort Morgan. And there's a risk for severe weather across the Northeast Plains. Really, it's those 5 counties in the Northeast corner, Logan, Washington, Yuma, as well as Phillips and Sedgwick counties, where you have that risk for damaging straight line winds, 60, 70 mile an hour winds. And that's where you have better low-level moisture. But there's a risk that as you head maybe just west of there towards Weld County, you could have a severe storm or two this afternoon as well. Then things clear on up for tomorrow, and by the end of the week, we'll be talking about those temperatures mostly in the low to mid 70s. Pretty nice weather overall. And then our next big storm system that we're watching for on Sunday and Monday. This one will bring some rain and some mountain snow into the picture. It's still the European model has that a lot further south. That would give us a higher impact storm in the Denver area. The GFS with a further north storm, that would be a lower impact storm, but just keep an eye on that one. And in that 7-day forecast, Sunday and Monday with the highest odds for rain in the Denver area.